What up guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform the 21s. Now what do I mean by 21s? Now this is not a specific kind of exercise. This is basically a regular barbell curl performed in a different fashion. So it's a different technique for a regular curl. The 21s, they give you a great pump, a lot better than a regular bicep curl. Plus it works all the bicep basically from all the angles, so you get complete bicep development. It's a pretty great exercise to switch it up from time to time from just regular curls. So to get into position, first straight back, no arch. You start at the starting position, arms straight at the bottom. Then you curl up, but only to half of the way. You don't curl all the way up, you curl to the middle. You see? To here. And that's the first position. The second position is curling from the middle to the top. You see, now you don't go all the way down. So first position was from the starting position to the middle. The second position is from the middle to the top. And the third position is full bicep curls. So when you're done with the second position, then you move straight on to the third position, which is full curls. From starting position all the way to the top and all the way back down. Now breathing is just like usual, inhale at the starting position, squeeze your core, go up slowly. At the top of the movement, really try to squeeze your biceps, get as much tension as possible, and exhale when you go down. Now, why are they called 21s? Because your goal is basically to pick a weight where you fail at 7 reps per each position. So 7 reps, 3 positions, which is 21. That's why they're called 21s, because your goal is to get 7 reps in each position. Now this is a really difficult exercise. If this is the first time you're doing it, you're gonna feel real pain in your biceps. You're really gonna feel a lot of tension. You're gonna feel the pain, man, in those biceps. So again, show you another set. Now, as you might have noticed, if you counted my reps, I didn't do 7 reps because it's so fucking hard, and I didn't even pick a heavy weight. This is another tip for this technique, guys. You gotta pick a light weight. Don't pick a heavy weight because you're gonna fail. You're only gonna do 2-3 reps. So don't pick a heavy weight, pick a light weight. So this is from the side. As you can see, this is the first position. And the same rules apply like with a regular bicep curl. Your elbows stay stationary, they don't move. Your body doesn't jerk around, your body doesn't move back and forth. Your body stays in place, as well as your elbows. So this is the first position, as you guys can see. From the starting position to the middle. Second position from the middle to the top. Now this, in my opinion, is the hardest position, going from the middle to the top, because this keeps constant tension on the biceps, and it really hurts at the top of the movement, And if you really try to squeeze your biceps at the top, like here, you're really gonna feel the pain. Now the third position is whole curls from the starting position all the way to the top. I had to put the bar down a little bit because my biceps were fucking burning by this point. And you're gonna feel it. When you perform that exercise, you're gonna feel it. Why? Well, you get a lot better pump and a lot more soreness because this is you're doing a lot more reps and you're performing it from different angles, you know, so it's kind of like supersets and drop sets, you know, not drop sets, it's more like supersets. It's like performing 3 different bicep exercises at the same time, you know, so it's kind of like supersets, so that's why it's so difficult. And the next day, guys, you're gonna feel so much soreness, you know, you're definitely gonna feel a lot of soreness the next day. So now I'm just showing it how it should be done. You know, the first position, starting position, down, up to the middle, you know, see, stop there, stop there. That's the first position. Second one, start from here, go all the way up, pausing at the top, squeezing the biceps, bam, see, from the middle to the top. Now this is my absolute favorite bicep technique. It's really great, it's really difficult, you know, it's really awesome. You should definitely do this technique every once in a while. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Peace.